While we are getting out of this parking lot, I just want to quickly give you guys some stuff that's going to happen in the video. Most of this is just going to be the car driving, right? I'm just going to let the car do the talking for us. But there will be parts where I will just basically talk a little bit. By the way, going over speed bumps is definitely a pain. You have to like slow down to basically no speed at all, go over them very, very carefully. But I mean, that's pretty much every single sports car, so that's nothing new. First off, we are going to start it off in the touring mode, and then after we do the touring mode for a minute, then we are going to go over into the sport, and then we're going to finish things off in track mode. And then just like I will probably put in the title, I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to title this video, but we will go around town initially. Oh, I'm in the wrong lane. We'll go around town initially, and then we will go onto the highway. Now that the boring stuff is over, we're in the sport mode now, so you guys can see it is going up a little bit more with the RPMs. I totally left it in manual mode though, also, to be honest. But yeah, you can see it does go a little bit higher up into the RPMs with the sport mode. Right now it's holding it in 4th gear. Definitely hear the difference in the downshifts between the sport and the touring. So this is going to be our first pull in the automatic mode. And you can see it gets absolutely no traction at all. Zero. Yeah, it's interesting. And you guys can see the brakes right there. And as you guys can kind of see here, it is extremely bumpy on the interstate. The suspension is just so stiff. That was just for you guys. I didn't need to downshift to first right there, but I just wanted you guys to be able to hear it. Here in the touring mode, again, suspension's bumpy, but I mean it's actually pretty comfortable from like a sound standpoint. It's not too noisy, and just overall, I mean it's easy to drive. It's a good driving experience, all that kind of stuff. So nothing too crazy. But again, then if we put it over into the track mode, you can, and this, or also the sport mode as well, you notice that it instantly downshifts. I don't know if you guys can see through the mirror, but that cop just pulled someone over. Oh, good times. I thought he was gonna pull me over because I've got a GoPro strap in my head, but you know, we're good. And there's another one. Man, I'm not gonna be able to get an acceleration here because there's a cop across the way, so we're just gonna lay low here, guys. There's a Corvette next to me. I don't know if he's gonna race or not. We'll see. Nope. Didn't even try. It's because he knows he lose. I can't talk. It's because he knows he would lose. Gosh. Now on the last road that I'm gonna take you guys to, it's just gonna be one so I can kind of show you some of the handling. It's gonna be really bumpy though, I will warn you. So, well, I mean, you guys are just gonna see the camera kind of going like this, whereas I'm gonna need a spinal reconstructive surgery. And by the way, if you hold down on the minus paddle, it'll automatically shift into the lowest gear possible, which I think is pretty cool. I'm actually gonna make a video about it, even though I'm putting it in this video. Meanwhile, in Mexico. Oh, it sounds so mean. You see that sign, guys? That sign means twisties. was probably like the worst combination right there. Sorry. Don't want to scare these old people here. You can see how well it handles here. Until you have to go over a speed bump. This car is so practical, guys. You guys can see how bumpy it is though. Oh God. But it hooks up so well. Wait, power shift. Boom. I love that shifting sound from first to second when you're accelerating. It just sounds ridiculous, like that just clicking it makes. It's so beautiful.